All right, Falicia Woody here with the forecast now. We're starting off the week not, great. It's okay.
Meh. It's not bad, but they're walking around. They're not trekking through feet of snow or anything like that.
Yep.
So a lot easier to drive in. So that's always a plus. I know that some people are itching for some snow, but it still doesn't look like we're looking at a pretty good chance for it. And we're still just way too warm to see anything but rain. And we're still expected to have scattered showers for the rest of the evening. And here's why: is because we have this another batch trying to move in from the west. So scattered showers through this evening and starting to pick up a little bit more in intensity, especially there on the tip of the northern panhandle. So expect some moderate rainfall if you're in northern Washington, southern Beaver County. This batch is continuing to slide its way off towards the east. So 46 degrees is where we're sitting at right now. The wind is calm, but tomorrow afternoon it is not going to be calm at all. So scattered showers this evening, cloudy skies. We get a small break from the rain, and we're dropping down into the upper 30s by tomorrow morning, and we still could see a few more showers. So if tomorrow's your trash pickup day and you're going to leave it out in the morning, you come back at night, you're going to wonder where it is, it's probably going to end up in your neighbor's yard, because tomorrow afternoon, those winds are going to be very gusty. We could see them up to possibly 40 miles per hour, but the sustained wind will be at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. So let's now talk about rain and something other than rain. That's more for Wednesday. I'll get to that in a second. So scattered showers for this evening, and then as we head into tomorrow morning, could have a few showers trying to slide through. It looks like Futurecast is really trying to pick up in intensity as it moves further east just outside of our region. Then as we move into Wednesday, we might have to talk about something other than just rain. And here's why. So we're tracking cold air moving in Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. That's going to be settled on top of us for Wednesday morning. Then you have moisture added to it. So we could see a wintry mix of both rain and snow, possibly even some sleet or maybe some freezing rain. But that warm air is really going to be fighting to move through the entire area by the afternoon. So that pink is indications of that wintry mix. Some places could see some snowflakes, but that warm air is really going to take over by Wednesday afternoon. If we do see any kind of icing over, maybe some sleet pellets, keep in mind that warm air will melt it almost immediately. It is expected to finish off as all rain by Wednesday evening. The I-80 corridor in the mountainous regions have the best chance to see the wintry mix. If we do see it in Pittsburgh, it'll be in the morning hours, and then the rain takes over. By Wednesday night into Thursday, looking at a line of thunder showers that can move through, and then Thursday afternoon, it's going to get warm again. If you miss the 70s, I'm not talking about the decades, I'm talking about the temperatures. 72 degrees is what we're forecasting for Thursday. Another record, possibly. The old record is 70 degrees set back in 1922, so we have a very good shot at breaking this one, again, for the third week in a row. If you're looking already towards the weekend, a lot of us are, cloudy skies for both days, around 40 degrees. Pretty decent weather if you want to do some skiing on Saturday. Sunday might be a little bit of a hit or miss. We're tracking the chance for a few showers, and then we warm back up again into the 50s by the beginning of next week.